Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make no-bake Oreo bars. It's a super easy treat to make and it requires little ingredients. Go ahead and get ready to take a screenshot of the ingredients. Okay, first things first, go ahead and let your cream cheese warm up. Toss about 5 cookies into your blender. You're more than welcome to use a food processor, but I didn't have one, so a blender it is. Don't throw all the cookies into it at once though, because it will clump up and it'll be just a mess. Once you're done, it should look like this. From there, go ahead and throw your cream cheese in. Go ahead and combine the two. Again, this would be much easier with a food processor, but for those who don't, go ahead and use your hands. You should have something that looks like this at the end. You'll want to go ahead and line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then dump your mixture onto the baking sheet. You'll want to go ahead and spread it out evenly to fit the entire sheet. From there, go ahead and pop it into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. You could also throw it in the freezer too. Once your bars have completely set, go ahead and start melting your chocolate. Per these specific instructions, I threw it in there for 2 minutes and then I started mixing the chocolate up to ensure there were no clumps. I wouldn't melt your chocolate before the bars are ready just because it'll get hard again and there's really no point of doing additional work. Go ahead and take your bars out of the fridge or the freezer and dump your chocolate on there. You'll want to spread the chocolate evenly so it looks like this. Wah wah woo wah, I like. Alright. From there, you'll want to go ahead and throw it into the freezer. I say the freezer because it will actually help the chocolate set quicker. Plus, you'll want to eat this ASAP because it's super delicious. Okay, friends, and there you have it. A no-bake Oreo bar. You just got to cut them into bars, and it should look like this. Let me know down below in the comments if you make this. Until next time.